Today I will show you how to add level based roles in your Discord server. So firstly I need to create roles. It's for owner and it's for admin. These are not applicable for level. So I need to create I will create only 3 roles. If you want, then you can create 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what you want. So our first role in our server is member. I give member. You can add else what you want. So member color is white, full white. Silver was given by everyone, so I give it to full white. And display roles separately. Permissions, uh, you can give permissions as you wish, so I don't edit it now. Our second role was member, then I will add elder. You can add what you want. So elder's color I will give orange. Save changes. Oh sorry, member white. Save changes. Now I add elder color orange. Display role separately. Save changes. So elder role is greater than member role, so push it to apart from member. Now our third role is silver. I add silver. Silver color I give. Okay, as its name is silver, then I add this color silver, and I will change everyone color not changeable, so I change silver color to give this. Okay, silver, and silver role is greater than elder, so it's upper in the elder. Okay, this 3 role. Now before we add level based role, we need a level category. So go create category, and category name is level. Okay, I push it to top. In level category I need a leaderboard. There people can see their ranking. Leaderboard. Then I will add a leaderboard and player roles. Here people can see how many roles are available for them. And last is player level category. Here people can see how many roles are available for them, and it's not player roles, it's players level. Here they can see how many level they have. Is he level 1 or not, is he level 2 or 3, here they can see. Now manage permissions. For leaderboard permission, everyone view channel, and others is cross. Don't give any other permission except view channel and read message history. Save changes. And also player levels, those only view channel and read message history, others was cross. And also players level category, manage permission, only view channel and read message history. Another is cross. Save changes. Now if we want to add level based role, then we need to add arcane bot. Go to arcanebot.xyz and invite arcane bot to our server. Manage, yeah, it's our test server. Test server, continue, give all this permission, authorize. I am human. And here arcane bot added. Okay, so go to server setting, roles, bot, add arcane bot to this role. Arcane add. Here our two bot, arcane and me6. Now I will add level based roles. Okay, here leveling, configure, XP options unchangeable, we can change it. Level up message, where when people level up, then where this notifications will come, we add this player level, and in this channel this will come, so I give players level, and it's which message will pop up. So firstly user dot mention, here user dot mention. First we'll give a congratulations to user dot mention means at the rate someone, congratulations to, and you have successfully reached level. Now no XP roles, owner and admin bot, me6 bot and arcane bot, they will not earn any XP. No XP channel. No, we won't add any channel. Okay, role rewards. For role rewards, we have how many roles? Maybe 3. Yes, we have 3 roles: member, elder and silver. So level 1, so our first role is member. When people reach level 2, they will be promoted to elder. When people reached level 3, they will be added silver. And XP boosters, we won't then enable any boost. You can enable boost such as will give 30% boost to new member role, or you can add elder silver as you want. Add booster, enable it. No, we won't enable. Okay, it's the leaderboard. Okay, and this voice leveling, we'll add voice leveling and max level. As we have three roles, so when people reach level 3, they won't earn any XP more. Okay, it's saved. Go back. Now we'll add auto roll. For adding auto roll, we go to auto manager and here auto roll member. When people join this server, they will be automated added to member role. Go back. Okay, it's safe. Now we'll see is it working or not. First we see is it safe. Yes, it's safe. Now we'll test it. So I will go to my another account here. Now I will chat. Okay, first I will see you is auto rolls working or not. See, I have no roles. Now I will add a new account. It's my new account. Now I will join test server. So I will give a need an invitation link. Ask add friend. My this account name is gaming lover #2810. Send friend request. Accept it. Now I will send an invitation link. It's invitation link coming and join. Here I join and I automatically added to member role, means auto role working, and he is not in role because then I not add auto roles. Okay, now I will see is my level based roles working or not. So I need to message. I adding messages. Okay, you are now see that we have congratulations to Android, you have successfully reached level 3. And as you see, uh, I give that when a player reach level 3 they will be promoted to silver. And see, I have been promoted to silver, and when I reach level 2 then I have been promoted to elder, and then previous I will member. That means level based roles are working. Now not enough, it's enough for today. We'll meet in next video. Goodbye.